Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to see or track previous sprint history in Jira. Understanding your sprint history is essential for tracking progress, analyzing past performance, and planning better for future sprints. Let's get started by opening the specific Jira project you wish to review. This step is crucial to ensure you are examining the right project with the sprint information you need. Once inside your chosen project, locate the top bar of the project interface where you'll find a tab labeled Reports. Click on this tab as it is your gateway to various analytical tools and insights that Jira provides. Upon clicking the Reports tab, a list of report options will appear. Scroll through these options until you find the Sprint Burndown chart. This chart is invaluable for our purpose today, as it offers a graphical representation of work completed over time during the sprint and provides access to the history of previous sprints. Once you select the Sprint Burndown chart, an informative view will open, showing detailed analytics of your sprint history. On this interface, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled something like Sprint. This drop-down is your key to viewing all the previous sprints conducted within this project. Hover over this drop-down menu and click on it to reveal a list of all past sprints. You now have a full archive at your fingertips. Navigate through this list to find the specific sprint you want to review. Once you've made your choice, simply select that previous sprint to explore its details. This action will open a suite of information, including the specific user stories completed, tasks undertaken, and overall team performance during that sprint. It's a powerful tool that allows project managers and team members to assess the productivity and effectiveness of past efforts. Use this information to gain insights and learn lessons that can be incredibly beneficial for refining processes and improving future project outcomes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track and review your sprint history in Jira. By following these simple steps, you can gain valuable insights into your project's past performance. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your project management practices with Jira. Happy sprinting!